my channel. This is Atyusha and today we are going to see what's in my bag. So yeah, if I speak about my bag, then first of all, I'm like a backpack person. Wherever I go, I really like to carry bags, but only backpacks because I don't like those sling bags. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with backpacks. So yeah, I have really so many backpacks, but one of my favorite is this one because it is pink in color. It looks really beautiful and it has my favorite Frozen characters, Elsa and Anna. So now if I talk about the compartments, then it has one big compartment and in the front one small compartment. So let's first see what's in this big compartment. Let me open the chain, and there are not many stuffs actually. It's like minimum stuffs I carry with me. So first of all, the very important thing, that is sanitizer. Actually I transferred the sanitizer into a small bottle. It's actually a hack for you guys, that if you are having big sanitizers, then you may transfer it in small bottles as it will take less space in your bag. So I have done the same. I have transferred my sanitizer into this small cute bottle and it helped me to save my space in the bag. The next thing is OMG. It's very important. Mask. Without mask, you can't even step out of your home. So yeah, I actually have so many masks. It like keeps changing depend upon the dress that I'm wearing. So but the mask that I like use the most is this one because this is plain and yellow is my favorite color. So next I have my sunglasses, and isn't the prints on the pouch are very cute. So yeah, this is my sunglass. I really like this. I have so many sunglasses, but this is one of my current favorite. Even my sunglasses also used to be changed. So yeah. So the next thing that I carry is this eye mask. So I really don't use it much, but still it is there with me. I use it but not so much. But I like this so much. Like, this so soft and the color is very unique and it looks very cute when I wear it in on my eyes. It really looks very nice. Then I have a small comb because like every time, like most of the time, my hairs are open when I'm outside and sometimes it's very tangled, so I have to detangle it. That's why I carry a small comb with me every time. Then I have some rubber bands with me. As I said that I mostly open my hair and go outside, and sometimes if I want to tie up my hair, so I use rubber bands, of course. So yeah, I have two rubber bands here. One is pink color and one is white color. So yeah, then I always carry a lip balm because my lips are really so chapped that I have to apply lip balm time to time. So the next thing that I carry is a napkin. It's like normal napkin. And next is a moisturizer because my skin is type of little bit dry, so anytime I can feel the need of this. And our first compartment is empty. Now let's come to the second compartment. So yeah, it has my earphones. I carry earphones most of the time because if I want to see some videos in YouTube in a public place, so I need to carry this. And secondly, when like I'm traveling and if I'm vlogging, so I need my most probably I forget to take that. That's why I carry a earphone with me so that it can also work as a mic. And then I have a clip with me. I can secure my hair with this clip, and at the same time it's also pretty. Then I have money. Just kidding, it's not money, it's fake notes to prank someone. These are fake notes, guys. This is not real. Do you really think I'll carry real notes? No, these are fake notes. I have just kept it to prank someone. Then I have a pocket diary with me. I always carry it, but आज तक कभी इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. Waiting for that moment, maybe कभी ज़रूरत पड़े. And the last thing in my bag is a pen, because if I'm carrying a diary, then of course I would also have to carry a pen with me. So yeah, that's all I carry in my bag. Now my bag is empty. This was all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if yes, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. I'll meet you in my next video. Tab tak ke liye take care and bye bye.